We are energy independent. I know more about wind than you do. It's extremely expensive, kills all the birds, it's very intermittent.
I'll kick your ass. Shh. Be quiet.
We have the Trillion Trees program. We have so many different programs. I do love the environment, but what I want is the clean. Let it go faster.
Yeah. Put your hand out of it, blow.
How's my hair?
Oh, good. No good. No good.
You don't show the aspirin over The only thing I haven't done a good job, and that's because of the fake news. No matter what you say to them, they give you bad press on it. It's just fake news. In fact, people that would not be necessarily on my side said that. President Trump did a phenomenal job. We did. We got the gowns, we got the masks, we made the ventilators.
God damn, son of a...
Nobody has done more for the black community than Donald Trump. And if you look, with the exception of Abraham Lincoln,